I think you are searching about robot vacuum cleaner, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality robot vacuum cleaner? Need free shipping robot vacuum cleaner? Looking for vacuum cleaner working in large area? Looking for Wi-Fi connected vacuum cleaner and mop? If the answer is yes, then let's go and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best robot vacuum cleaner and mop. Number 1. ILIFE robot vacuum cleaner and mop, and the feature is feature, cliff sensor, Collide-Avoidance, and mop cloth. Using area, about 120 to 180 square meters. Working time, about 120 to 150 minutes. Dust box capacity, less than 0.5 liters. Size, 300 into 300 into 75 millimeters. Let's go for number 2. Xiaomi robot vacuum cleaner, and the feature is feature, Wi-Fi connect mobile phone, timing boot, brushless motor, and slim design. Dust box capacity, less than 0.5 liters. Battery life, 2 hours to 2 hours and 30 minutes. Cord length, wireless. Size, 345 into 345 into 96 millimeters. Let's go for number 3. Roborock robot vacuum cleaner and mop, and the feature is function, mopping, sweeping and suction type. Feature, intelligent planning path, memory family layout, clean up every corner and Wi-Fi connected phone. Dust box, 480 milliliters dust box, double filter system, effective filter dust, mites and clean air. Battery life, 2 hours to 2 hours and 30 minutes. Size, 353 into 350 into 96 millimeters.